Hello friends, in today's video we are going to learn how to grow lady's finger plant. So come, let's go into the video. So tip number 1 we are seeing is about pest attack. So the most common pest attack in this lady's finger plant is mealybugs. So to control that you can spray neem oil regularly till the pest goes. And tip number 2 we are going to see is about fertilizer. So fertilizers like vermicompost you can give a monthly and full of vermicompost to your plant, and liquid fertilizer if you have or if you have prepared you can give it daily for your plant, or you can spray it to your plant also. And tip number 3 we are going to see is about grow bag size. The grow bag size you can choose is 15x15, and pot means this size pot will be suitable. So in this you can grow 3 to 4 ladies finger plant. So next tip number 4 we are seeing is about harvesting. So when the lady's finger comes to a decent size, you should harvest the lady's finger, or else what will happen means the lady's finger will get more matured and it will not be tasty to eat. So the next thing we are seeing is in your lady's finger plant you may get some green and white color patches on your leaf. So this is a type of disease only. So when you see that in your leaf, just immediately cut off the leaf and throw it, because then it will not spread to the other leaf and other plant. So next tip we are going to see is about large size pot. So if you are going to grow your plant in a large size pot like this, then you can keep many plants like row wise row. So like that you can keep up to 10 to 15 plants in this big size pot. And next tip we are going to see is about watering. So during summer season water 2 times a day, and in rainy winter and all no need to water. This plant will itself take that moisture from the sand, or when rain comes it will take the water from that itself. And the growing season for this plant is all around the year. So from January to December you can grow this plant at any month, and it is a very easy growing crop and it will give you a very good amount of harvest. And if you are a beginner to gardening, you can try growing this crop, which is very easy, and it will give more motivate to you. So thanks friends, bye.